sesobiza abomaluzi. Angithi mina, I'm a messenger. Angithi Thando sami. So I'm not the one who's supposed to summon them, right? Uwe okumele uba summon, right? When they make presents, right? I'll let you know with Betty, they have activated, right? Whatever is in your heart, express it to them. Ne? Let them know why did it take you so long, right, to respond, right? Bongaboni ukuthi we are making you stuck. Did you forget your foundation? You understand, sis? Uba pendule. I'll try by all means ukukunika the questions that they are asking, but now moba addressa. Answer according to what I've